Good morning. This is the pre-market report for Thursday 31st March 2022. Now when we look at how the indexes performed overnight, SGX is indicating a gap up, which for me is not a positive sign today, and I'll explain why later in the video. And the US market yesterday had a bit of a hiccup as the flat line at the resistance. However, I'm liking the pattern. The US futures are currently forming for S&P 500 and Nasdaq especially. Dow Jones is the shaky part as of now. Now when we come to the Nifty and Bank Nifty, today I'm going to be playing a very cautious approach. Number one, as anyone who's in the WhatsApp groups knows that on Monday I had set mildly bullish position. So this week all the profits that have been made from Monday until now via you can say option sales and option buys, we can come at risk today, I believe. Why I say that is the Nifty is approaching a very key resistance zone, plus the Bank Nifty is approaching the change of polarity zone I've been harping on about since the day I started the videos. This is from 23rd Feb to today. This zone has acted as a resistance, so do not expect it to just give in without any fight. Last time we reached it on basically 23rd March. I had said we were going to have an issue, and you can see we tried to pop up and we came back down. So now am I saying that we'll come back down? Fully no. We may form a box range here, or we may come back a bit down, but to break this resistance in Bank Nifty is going to be tough, and to break the resistance we're seeing in Nifty is going to be very tough. And then I'll say the Nifty is the deciding factor today, even though this is approaching a key zone. Now why am I being so cautious today over other days is that the Nifty is approaching two resistance zones that I do not like: 17,580 to 17,605 and 17,730 to 17,780. Now this resistance zone, I see basically there's a lot of different types of resistances grouping which can cause a huge problem for the Nifty. However, if it breaks this resistance zone, then it will be a clear shot to this one. However, this one is another one that can smack the living daylights out of all bullish traders. So if we break this resistance zone, I will then go long clearly up till here. However, if we struggle here, then I will just prefer to sit out of the market, or later on the day during, if you have got the capital to do so, then you can sell the calls and earn some premium if it's not able to break above the resistance zone. If it's able to break above, then it's naturally along to the next one. But these two are very important hurdles for the Nifty to cross. This one will be a resistance zone, but it's not a major resistance zone. These two are what are basically worrying me when I look at the bigger picture of overall on the daily charts. That these two are going to cause a problem. So on the support front, we have 17,410, 17,320, and 17,260. I would say I'll classify this one being as a major support for the index today, and then this one being a major support for the index. Now coming to the resistance levels for Bank Nifty, when I look at my other chart, this is going to be a very important hurdle for the index, and Bank Nifty has three important hurdles, but this one is going to be the most important between 36,740 and 36,840. So when you're trading, do keep an eye on those levels. Then on the support one, 36,080, which is basically, you can call yesterday's opening target as yesterday's opening price. When I look at the chart, yesterday's opening price was 10 points above at 36,090, and that's one. So the first good resistance or support, and then the next one is, in fact, Bank Nifty has 3 on each side today, which are very strong major ones. However, today I will, as I said earlier in the video, I will trade very cautiously, as to me I'm seeing a lot of risk, and I would rather preserve the number one, the capital which I have, and also the profit I made during the week, as we are heading towards a lot of turbulence. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to the video, and I will be releasing one more stock video today evening, so do click the notification bell so that you're notified about it. Thank you.